I keep going to these home decor stores and see these little like tabletop home decor items being sold for, in my opinion, a lot more than they should be. And so today we're gonna try our hand at making our own posh decor items. I have this scrap 4x4 post lying around which I want to use for this project. It's not perfect, has some gouges in it, but I think that might just add to the character. So now we just have to commune with the post and truly listen to what it wants to become. I've decided to cut a perfectly square block out of it because I really like the size. And so after I clamp it down to a workstation, making sure it hangs over the edge just a little, I'm going to take an angle grinder with a grinding wheel on it and get artsy. There is no real method to the madness here, just listen to the block, feel the block's deepest desires, and carve away until you've revealed its truest form. I call these pushtalgalums because it's hard to say and sounds pretentious.
Pushtalgalums.
I really enjoy the look of them, and with each block being so different, it's hard to get bored. I think the natural color is really cool, but you can of course also stain them to add a little bit more flair. Super easy to make, also super fun, zing, and just as good if not better than anything you'll find in a home decor store, in my opinion. But I guess ultimately you guys will be the judge of that. What do you think? Yay or nay? Let me know in the comments down below. But hey, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, feel free to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. But if you didn't, I hope you overpay for your next home decor knick-knack.
Thanks for watching, and please feel free to subscribe.